And we have a nice clean new desk and brand new desk LED lighting. But you might notice through this video here that there's going to be some glitching going on. No, that's not the browser you're going to be using right now to watch this. It's not the device you're using either. I think it's my camera itself causing problems. I think the main issue here is that this desoldering tool is about 1 foot long. On end here, from here to the camera, yeah, that's an extra 6 inches. I'm very limited on desk space here vertically. So unless I find a better solution, you just might have to deal with this. I'm sorry, folks. Anyways, what is this video about? We're doing another recap job. This is the Aztec power supply out of an 80s computer. It's called an Apricot Zen. These power supplies are actually kind of nice. They're very well laid out. They're very well built. And you can switch them between 230 volt and 115 volt by this jumper right here. I'm moving from one spot to the other, and there you go. You're done. But this power supply here, when I had on visual inspection, like, there's nothing blown on it. It's not dirty. This cap here is a little bulgy, and this cap here is a little bulgy. And this whole area here smells like fish. So even though this power supply works, we're going to do some preventative maintenance today. We're just going to change out all these caps here on the primary side and this one cap hiding over here. I did not have these caps here. Did I say primary side? No, this is the secondary side. And these 4 caps here are on the primary side. I do not have these caps available. These ones here, they seem okay. So we're going to stick with them. And by the way, if you're wondering, these are made by a company called Marcon. Okay, whatever. So I have these caps here. I already have my little list here. And now I'm just going to warm my iron up to, I'm going to say 666 degrees. There we go. And that'll warm up. Now, on the back side of this board here, everything's nicely marked, but these cap leads are all folded over. So we're going to start with these ones here. And I find sometimes it's easier to desolder if you use the tool. In this case here, the leads are actually popping up out of the solder. Thank you, being soft lead. And sometimes, there we go. And I'm just gonna go like this. And let the desoldering begin. No flux is needed here. There we go. Let me bend that a little bit over here. There we go. I'm going to have to increase my temperature a little tiny bit. I'm just going to have to add some fresh solder. Yeah, it's just fresh solder it wanted. And are these caps marked by polarity? There we go. Ooh. Okay, yes, polarity is marked on this. So, the reason I was smelling fish is, and you probably can't see it on here, no you can't, is that the electrolyte is leaking out around the leads on here. And I'm actually seeing a bit of it has gotten down into here. Alright, well we'll do these 2 caps first. These are 2200 microfarad 10 volt. No, that one didn't clear. Neither of those cleared. Their leads are stupidly... No, they did clear. They're just very tight on the holes. Like so much, just the kink on this one here is causing me problems. There. Out you go. We have another 2210. That one was leaking as well on the positive side. but they're fine. Okay, so we want 2210. So this is the original 1985 United Nippon Chemicon 2210, and this is one that was purchased in 2019. A little over half the size. And by the way, these are temperature rated. These ones are for 105. And the ones I'm putting in there, likewise, are rated for 105. This does have active cooling, but it's always good in a power supply to replace the capacitors with equal or higher temperature rating. I'm just going to clip. I think it was... Oh, no, there's that one over here. Again, I don't think these ones are going to clear either. We'll see. Did those clear? They did. Okay, cool. And these are 1016. That one wasn't leaking. That one didn't fully desolder. There we go. Yep, and that cleared out. So these are 1016s. And this is... No, that's not it. Oh, crap. There it is. This is a 1016 as well. Again, significant reduction in size here. And by the way, the ones I'm installing here are actually Panasonic's. So, better, I would say. Am I getting that incorrectly? Yes, I am. So with these caps here, or at least this one here, I have a hole here for negative, and I have a hole here for positive. There's another tinier hole right here, which is also positive. So it lets me fit that cap in with ease. Unfortunately, the other one doesn't have that. So for that, you're just going to have to stick it in. These are both 1016s, right? Yes, hold on. I'm having a sanity check here. I triple check these before I do these. It's always bad to put the wrong value cap in and wonder why it's not working. Okay, so there we go. That one there just sits a little bit more loose, but once we solder that down, it's going to be fine. All right, next one here is a 125. And that is hiding, I believe it's these two pads. Was it that one? No, I'm lying. It's these two right here. There we go. Go. Ow. Hot solder. One's out. Wasn't leaking either, but whatever. 125. 125. Was this a 125? This is a 125 right here. Much smaller. Again, you get the idea. I understand some people will recap a power supply with low ESR caps religiously, but I have run into instances where replacing a power supply with low ESR caps, even though the original ones were not, have caused problems. And I think that's it for those caps there. We'll do this one over here. It was actually more of a chintzy PC power supply where the low ESR caps, I'm just trying to remember now, it's been a while, it took the oscillation or ripple, it negatively affected the circuit, so the regulator got really unhappy because it was now absorbing everything out of the circuit, not just your typical voltage ripple. So I ended up having to actually put the caps, the original caps, back onto that one just to satisfy the customer until I could get something to replace it. All right, and this one is 22010. No. Here we are, 22010. This one here. So that does matter. And then we go. Fold, fold. All right. So we've done that cap. We've done those ones. So now it's just these four over here. And I do believe they are all 2216s, or the big blue ones. And the tiny one is a 125. We'll do that one first. I don't think I cleared that one. We'll see what happens here in a moment. Oh, no, I cleared it. And 125, 125. Also, yes, I am aware that you can order caps in different sizes, but it still amazes me just how much smaller some of these caps can go after 35 years. I got that one in the right way. Right, let's just see if I can zip these ones out. I should just... some of those did not desolder. That one did. Of course, the middle one. No, those didn't leak either. Be redone again. I took too much solder off at that time. There we go. Come out this time. There we go. And we got 3 caps left. Again, different sizes, but these ones, the new ones are taller. The original ones, by the way, were Rubicon. Nice. Okay, and in you go. Nope, that's backwards. There we go. Alright, and that's everything. Alright. Why am I compressing that? Alright. So, last visual check just to make sure I have all the caps in right polarity. It's fine, it's fine. That's fine. Fine. Good, good. Good and good. Good. And I think I got all of those this time. Yep, that all looks good. Off goes the iron. And in comes the trim. Alright, well, there we go. Preventative maintenance has been done. This power supply here, I know it works. It's still going to work fine after this. So I'm going to go and reinstall into the machine. Yes, I am quite aware that there is a Rifa safety cap hiding right here. So you don't need to leave comments that I forgot it out. I'm, in this case, waiting for it to explode. Whatever, that's fine. Anyways, well, that's it for this video. Really hope you enjoyed me quickly going through the recap on this. And I hope you learned a little bit about this voltage selector here if you ever come across one of these power supplies yourself. And until next time, have a good one.